Hello everyone, this is Raga Senthil. Thanks for joining me and I hope your week is off to a good start. Having Valentine's Day around the corner, today I am sharing with you a quick and easy to make love card with a little interactive element. Lately I am so addicted to these new alcohol based Ahuru brush markers. These markers come in a zippered carrying case and the color coded caps help to find the right color in a flash. Though some are misleading, so it is always good to have your own color chart for your markers. It is a dual tip art marker, brush tip on one end and a chisel tip on the other end. As a beginner, I find these markers a great alternative to Copex, which is a fantastic budget option and cost effective with excellent quality. Regardless to say, here is a beautiful lineup of cards that I created out of digital stamp sets from Varada Sharma's new February release, Fantastic Florals, and colored using my new brush markers. These digital images are pretty much outstanding and delightful to work with. This cheerful and bold rose image is from the stamp set Pocket Full of Roses, which comes along with bold love sentiments. I did partial fuzzy cutting of the image and mounted it on a black card base for more dimensional look. The starry flower bunch is from the stamp set Forget Me Not. This flower represents genuine love, and giving someone this flower means to express your deepest affection for them. This delicate beauty is from the stamp set Snowdrop, which represents hope. So I made a rainbow backdrop for this flower to pop out. The swirled roses are from the stamp set Sketch to Florals 2, which is one of my favorites that comes along with beautiful sentiments. Here I visualize my card design using PowerPoint and get them printed on a white cardstock. When you open this card, cheerful heart couple pops out with a lovely saying, "You're my happy place." So without further ado, let's dive into the video to learn how to make this simple love pop-up card. Let's start by coloring the images. It was so intimidating when I was first dipping my toes into this medium, but these markers work like a charm and are available in the best price range with amazing quality. I just love how the brush nibs are so soft and firm that I can swish the colors on paper all day long. You can see how the colors are so vibrant and juicy. When the colors are in the right range of family, they blend so easily into a smooth transition. The key for beautiful blending lies in the selection of the right color range. I have given the list of color codes I am using here on my images in the description box below for your reference. If you are new to this channel and have watched none of my previous interactive card videos, I'll link to a playlist that appears on the top right. This front panel of the card measures 4 by 5¼ inches, which is slightly smaller than a regular A2 size card base. The pop-up panel, which is covered with florals all around the edges, which measures 4¼ by 5 inches. I have colored both the panels in a monochrome color palette with a pop of blue. The heart couples are from Varada Sharma's digital stamp set, lots of hearts from a January release, cute creators. I just added some facial features to the hearts to transform them into a lovely couple. Did the man appear to be a Sardar to anyone? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I would just love to hear what you think. Can you see how these brush nibs are so helpful to cover up even larger spaces, leaving no streaks or blotches? I don't think that bullet nibs can achieve this. As a watercolorist, I prefer brush nibs over bullet nibs for coloring. I fussy cut this heart, which will be the pop-up element of my card. I'm giving a slight water wash to the front panel and the pop-up panel using spun sugar distress oxides ink to create a subtle background for the flowers and finish it with some splatters using picked raspberry distress ink for added interest. I take the pop-up panel and place it on the scoring tool horizontally to score at half an inch on both sides. Now I fold the panel into half to make a slit slot in the middle. Then I take an half an inch wide pop-up strip out of a blue cardstock from my stash, which I also have scored at half an inch on one end, and glue it down to the inside of a top folding A2 size purple card base in the middle. Next, I attach the pop-up panel to the card base by passing the strip through its slot, as you can see on the screen. Make sure the center of the card base and the pop-up panel should be parallel to each other to keep the alignment right in place. Now I attach the heart couple to the top of the strip. If it requires, you can extend the slot a little longer for the heart to move freely with no disturbance. I cut off the excess strip and adhere a similar heart on the other side in order to hide the color bleed. Doesn't it look like the heart pops out from a lovely rose garden? Yes, love grows here. I glue down the front panel to the card base and finish my card by embellishing the inside with a sentiment strip saying, "You are my happy place," and some little heart die cuts from my stash. I also leave some space to write any message inside for the recipient. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video and got inspired to make one such lovely card for your beloved one. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon with another fun interesting project. Until then, signing off, Raga. Bye bye.